Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem in Samsung Notes whenever you try to open a note. In Samsung Notes, a small pop-up appears, can't open note, file corrupt. So viewers, watch the video till then, let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that this website's password is the note which I want to open, but I can't open it because the pop-up appears which is can't open note, file corrupt. In order to fix this problem, you have to simply tap on that note and hold it, and then you have to simply tap on the kebab menu icon which is at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and then you have to tap on duplicate note. After that you can see that the processing has been done, and then if I tap on the note which is duplicated, you can see that the note has opened successfully. Viewers, like this you can also fix the can't open note file corrupt problem in Samsung Notes.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe, and also click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.